In this first part of the video, we're going to adjust the tension of a chain for a Poulan chainsaw model 3314. We'll start by loosening up the bar by turning these nuts counterclockwise slightly. Don't want it too loose, just enough to do the job here. The tension will be this screw here on the side. I need a flat screwdriver for that. Now I'm going to turn this screw clockwise, and you'll see the chain move up as we apply the tension. There it goes into the bar, and I really should hold this up like this. Is when I tighten the nuts, because we want that bar in that position up. So once you're satisfied with the tension on it, and we tighten the nuts, turn clockwise. There you go. As you pull on it, you want it to go back into the bar. You don't want the chain to be hanging from the bottom. The next one, we have a Black & Decker 20-volt chainsaw. Again, same sort of thing. The black knob will loosen. The bar will move there. You can put it in position, and then the outer one, this holding the the bar up. The orange knob applies tension to the chain, and then once you're satisfied with the tension, then you can tighten it again. Anchor the bar, turning the black knob clockwise. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.